Everyone knows that AI is changing the world, but did you know that AI could help you invest in the stock market? Now, the first thing you want to do, and I'm going to put the prompt up right here, and don't forget the link for this is down below, is you want to go ahead and put AI into state because, well, let's face it, the only way you get a better answer is if you put a better question into AI, and the only way you're going to get that is if you tell it to act as something. So, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tell AI to act as the top financial investors in the world with at least 20 years of experience or more. Its job is to help you do market research on different stocks, options, so on and so forth. After you put in that statement, make sure you ask the question, do you understand? After that, it's going to list out everything that it's able to help you with. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and look at something that's relatively within your budget. So, if you're, let's say you're making the average of like $60,000 a year, and you're able to put away at least $100 or $200 a month into an investment account, what you can do is look at stocks or have the AI look at stocks for you that have had at least 100% growth within the last 3 to 5 years, that their price is at least $20 or less for the stock. Now, when you do this, and as you'll see in the link down below that I attached here for you, which goes to Gemini, one of the things that it'll give you is it'll give you a chart and it'll tell you within the last 3 years it had this amount of growth. Within the last 5 years it had this amount of growth. And then you're going to be able to go ahead and then take your stocks or choose those stocks and invest it into your portfolio. So let's say you're using something like Robinhood. You can make sure when you're asking AI to go ahead and make sure that these stocks are also being traded on the Robinhood app. So the statement's going to be right here, and go ahead and take it in. If you don't want to go ahead and look at this, that's perfectly fine. What's it called? What we can do is you just got to click the link below and you could pick up on where I left off because I actually did the work for you. So you could go ahead and just pick up where I left off. Look at some of the stocks that it showed me, the charts and the sheets and things like that. And then the links that go with the research that the AI did and where it found the information from, so you can make a more informed decision. Now, I'm not a professional financial advisor, but I have been in the financial game for quite some time and I have studied it. Now, if before you invest, I would strongly recommend, and this is also for educational purposes, but that you go speak to a financial advisor. The reason why is because they may have some other insights and access to other tech that can go ahead and tell you the profitability of the stock that you are choosing or the stocks that you are choosing. And if those stocks have what's known as an option chain, you can make a lot of money depending on how you play your positioning. So let's say you buy a call and you invested in NVIDIA stock. And if you did this, let's say if you did this about 6 to 9 months ago, you would have made a lot of money or earth-shattering amounts of money because of the way options work. The profit margin is a lot higher. And with AI, you can streamline all of your market research so that you could go ahead and grow not only your portfolio, but your bank account. Now, one last caveat for you is when you're doing your market research, you also want to find out which stocks have the highest dividend payouts. So what this means is that the stocks will actually pay you for keeping your money in to that company, and it'll give you a dividend. So every quarter, so on and so forth, it will give you $1 for every $20 you invest, or whatever the case may be, or pennies on the dollar, whatever. But that money is going back into your account. You can reinvest that and have a snowball effect. And from there, you could apply other things and other strategies if you're working with a financial investor. If this video helped you, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Take care. Have a great day.